Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add your logo or image on Google Sheets. You can easily insert images like your logo into Google Sheets using the built-in image insertion features. Here's how you can get that done. The first thing you need to do is to open your Google Sheets file, which of course I've done right here. Then click on the cell where you want to insert the image. Let's say this is the cell. This is the cell I want to insert the image. Then go to insert at the insert menu at the top corner of your screen. All right, then you're going to see a couple of options right here. Go ahead and click on image from the drop down menu and click on image in cell. So you can either upload an image from your computer or search the web for an image or insert an image from Google Drive, whichever one. So let's just go ahead and click on browse so we can get it from our computer. Okay, so I'm just going to use this and I'm just going to click on open. Now, after selecting the image, it will be automatically inserted and scale to fit within the cell. Okay, so that's my image there. So that's my image there, and as you can see, it's just really small in there. So that's already spreading across over cells, and I don't want that. So that's my logo in there. It has already been spread across over cells. All right, so if you also want to insert your logo or image over the sheet, that's to just make it float in, just go ahead and go to your Google Sheets and click on insert again. And once you click on insert, click on image and click on image, insert image over cells, then choose your image source. I'm going to use this and I'm just going to click on OK. So you see it's loading and the image will now appear over the cells and can be moved or resized to fit any part of your sheet. So you can drag the image to position it wherever you like and use the corner handles to resize the logo. So that's just how it works. So that's the image, and just double click on the image and resize and just spread it across to wherever you want, and it's just going to be over the cell. So just drag and drop. That's pretty much how it works. So that's pretty much it. Then we can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. This is how you can add a logo to your Google Sheet. So the next thing to do is how to add checkboxes on your Google Sheet. So that's the next step of this tutorial. So to add checkboxes on Google Sheets, you need to select the cells where you want to insert the checkboxes. So you can select multiple cells by clicking and dragging or by holding down. All right. Or by holding down the Control and Windows. So if you're using a Mac, it's going to be CMD. Just hold down CMD when you're selecting. So I'm just going to select this and I'm just going to drag it down to, I'm holding this and I'm dragging the cells down. All right. So let's say for those three, I want to add check boxes to them. So while we're here, the next thing to do is to click on insert at the top corner. And once you click on insert, go ahead and choose checkbox from the drop down. And once you click on that, you see that the selected cells will now contain checkboxes, which we have here. So each checkbox will be unchecked by default. So you can customize your checkbox values, which is optional. So by default, checkboxes run true when checked and false when unchecked. So however, you can customize these values. So go ahead and right click on the checkbox cell. Just after right clicking, go ahead and select data. All right. So you need to go ahead and select data validation, which is in view more cell action. So click on that and click on data validation. So from here, go ahead and click on checkbox, which is in the criteria drop down. And after clicking on that, so click on the checkbox. Now, under the custom cell values, which we have here, you can specify your own values for checked and unchecked states. So this is that in criteria, that's here. So you can use custom cell values if you want here, and you can use the advanced option. So show a warning or reject the input, however you want to use. I can use this, or you can use custom cell values. So just go ahead and click on use custom cell values and click on checked. So here where you have checked, you can make it true or you can make it untrue. So let's say you can make this yes, and unchecked you can make this no. So once you're done, go ahead and click on done, which is at the bottom right corner of this screen. That's pretty much the process. So once ever this is checked, it's going to be yes, and once it's unchecked, it's going to be no. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.